So you guys want to link your Snapchat to Instagram? Well, you guys are at the right video, because in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can link your Snapchat to Instagram. But before I show you the way, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button with notification on, because it helps our channel to grow. And you guys can also get notified once our new video releases. And yeah, watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can do it. So watch this video carefully. So first thing first, open your Snapchat, log into your Snapchat account. After logging into your Snapchat account, you can click on this profile picture over here. Once you click on this profile picture, aka your Bitmoji, and you can click on this gear icon. Once you're over here, you can click on your username. We're gonna, get our link of our Snapchat from here. Now, once you come over here, basically what you want to do is scroll until you see copy to clipboard over here. So basically, we're gonna copy this link. We're gonna click on copy to clipboard. And once the link of our Snapchat account is copied, basically we're going to go to this website. So now we cannot paste this link directly on Instagram, because Instagram does not allow you to paste long link. So you need to do this one step. Once you come on Chrome, just search for bit.ly link shortener, and then click on the first one where it says bit.ly. Once you're over here, you can enter the link you just copied over here where it says shorten your link. Once you enter the link over here, you can click on shorten, and the link has been shortened. Now click on copy. Once this link is copied, what you want to do is go to your Instagram, because we're going to paste it on our Instagram now. Once you're on your Instagram, you can click on edit profile, and where it says website, we're going to enter the link which we just copied over here. Click on this tick mark, and it should be done. Now it's over here. Now once I click on it, it should take me to my Snapchat. It just took me to my own account like this. You see? So that's basically how we do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'll see you guys in a bit. Have a nice day.